Now, a fire broke out at the Ayush Hospital in Surat last night. A short circuit was said to be the cause of the fire. We are now getting to know that 4 people were killed in that fire. Earlier, of course, there were reports that seemed to suggest that there were no people who had died in that fire, but now fresh reports seem to suggest that 4 people were killed in that fire in the hospital in Surat. Priyanka now joins me on the phone line for more details. Yes, Priyanka, give us more details of what really happened and what was the cause of the fire.
Late last night, what we've been hearing from the time is that there was a they had the fire had broken out and just in our building.
We seem to have a very poor connection with you, Priyanka. We're going to come back to you in just a bit, but the latest that we are getting, of course, is that a fire broke out in the ICU unit of the Ayush Hospital in Surat last night. A short circuit is believed to have what has caused the fire. 4 people were killed in that fire. An investigation is currently on. Priyanka joining me live now. Priyanka, give us more details. We had a poor connection the last time, so we couldn't really get what you were saying. Please continue.
In this fire, there were at least 10 people, in fact, we've been given to understand, who had been caught inside this building. But after the fire emergency services had actually come to the hospital and had carried out these rescue operations, these 10 patients had been rescued from the building and shifted to a nearby hospital where they were undergoing treatment. This happened at around 12:30 in the night is what we've been given to understand. But as of now, the update that we've gotten from the fire emergency services officials is that the 4 people who had been going under treatment in the nearby hospital have actually passed away in this unfortunate incident, and 10 people had in fact been caught yesterday. But because of the quick response, the fire emergency services officials had actually rescued all of these 10 patients who were not just in the ICU but in the general ward as well. All of these were COVID-19 positive patients and had been rescued by the fire emergency services officials. The cause of the fire, is what being given to understand, is that there was a short circuit in the AC compressor as well, after which the fire had been sparked and it engulfed the entire 5-story building of Ayush Hospital in Surat late last night.
Right. Right, Priyanka. Thank you for joining us.